Are you ready to master personal finance and investing? Keep watching to discover the best finance textbooks that can really help you understand money and make smart investment choices. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so let me tell you something. Learning about finance can feel overwhelming, but with the right books, you can make it easier to understand. Whether you're just starting or you want to take your knowledge to the next level, okay? These textbooks will help guide you towards financial success, okay? So here are some of the best finance textbooks to dive into, all right? Number one, we got Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. First finance book I ever read was that one. It's a must read for understanding how to think about money and investing. It teaches you the difference between assets and liabilities, number one. Number two, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's a classic book that teaches you the principles of smart investing. Then we have The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley, which helps you understand the habits of wealthy people and how to build your wealth. Then you got Personal Finance for Dummies by Eric Tyson, which is a great beginner's guide to managing money and investing wisely, all right? A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. I'll put his name in the description. He explains the stock market and investing in different investment strategies, okay? These books are going to give you the knowledge and the confidence that you need to manage your money and to grow wealth over time. And if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. I love you.